Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to connect a yo-yo string. First, take one end of your new yo-yo string and tie a simple slip knot. This creates a small loop. Make sure the loop is large enough to comfortably fit over your middle finger, but not so loose that it slips off easily. This adjustable loop is crucial for a secure and comfortable fit during play, ensuring your yo-yo stays with you. Next, take the opposite, unknotted end of the string. Thread this end through the gap of your yo-yo, going over the axle. Once through, bring the string back around to form a small loop that encircles the axle. Pull the main string firmly to tighten this loop around the axle. This creates a secure attachment point, allowing the yo-yo to spin freely and return reliably with each throw. Now, let's adjust the finger loop for optimal comfort and control. Place the slip knot loop onto your middle finger. Gently pull the main string to tighten the loop until it feels snug, but not restrictive. You should be able to move your finger freely without the loop slipping off. A well-adjusted loop prevents the yo-yo from flying off during tricks and ensures a comfortable playing experience for extended periods. Finally, let's check and adjust your string length. Stand upright and let the yo-yo hang freely, touching the floor. The string should ideally reach your belly button. If it's too long, mark the correct length, cut off the excess, and retie your slip knot. This optimal length provides the best control and leverage for performing a wide variety of yo-yo tricks, enhancing your overall playing experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.